Gising ko lang, ang ganap today is maglilinis ako ng kwarto kasi sobrang gulo. I took out the bed sheets already and all of the stuff that's on here, I already took them out. So ilalondry ko na sila ngayon and magbe-breakfast ako and then mag-clean ng room. Yun ang araw natin today. So, let's go. Okay. Guys, so postpone yung laundry natin kasi naglo-laundry pa sila mama. So, I won't be laundering until in 1.5 hours. So, kain na lang muna tayo. Tapos, start natin mag-clean ng room. Tapos, yun. So I just finished eating. I'm now back in my room. I put on the first load of laundry. I'm gonna have 3 loads and it's gonna be done in less than 20 minutes. So we're gonna try to start cleaning my room. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now before we clean it, and there's a lot. It's a big mess. So here we go. So here is my room, my messy room. I have like a dresser here that has a lot of miscellaneous, and then my desk, it's really messy. This is what I do with my stuffed animals when I try to like clean my bed, like the bed sheets and stuff. I put them in like this bag and I put them all here so they don't get dusty when I clean the room. And these are all my pillows. My first load of laundry are the bed sheets and the pillowcases, so that one is okay. I need to change my water tank. It's been a while since I changed it, and I should change it. I have a bed of fish in there. Where is he? He's right there. His name is Buddy. And then there's more stuff here that I need to clean up. My laundry from a few days ago na hindi ko pa natitiklop. See, this whole part is a big mess. The top is okay. Those areas are okay. That, I don't know, it's just messy. And here's what it looks like outside the window today. Apparently it's a positive outside. So, alright, let's start cleaning. Guys fell my bed, so this is the last like wiping that I'm doing. I'm not sure if I will have any time to clean my tank today. but I will try my best kasi I have to finish the thumbnail on my last video. You guys will see that video before this one even comes out. I will put the link below for that video. Yung bed sheets ko tsaka pillowcases are in the dryer and they're gonna be done in maybe 50 minutes pala. 50 minutes, it's gonna be done in 50 minutes. So, kasi kakalagay ko lang sila sa dryer. So, ang gagawin ko na lang muna before yun matapos is titiklopin ko yung mga clothes na hindi ko pa natiklop from a few days ago. Titiklopin ko sila and then maybe vacuum my room as well kung may time pa ako after nun. So this is my bed right now. I'm still missing my blanket. It's still in the dryer. Okay, now I think I'm going to do the vacuum today. And I finished the thumbnail for my video. Go see it now. I just finished vacuuming and I'm sweating. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sweating. I just finished. I'm just gonna put the thing back, the wire back inside, and then wait for my laundry in about an hour for my blanket to finish in the dryer, and then actually no, less than an hour for my blanket to finish in the dryer, and then an hour for my clothes that are in the wash right now. I will get back to you guys when my laundry is done. Plano kong ititiklop ko sila agad-agad para wala na akong i-worry about later on.
An hour later.
Hi guys, so ngayon it's nighttime na. Look at the outside. Kukunin ko na yung last batch ng laundry ko, which are the clothes. Tapos na sila sa dryer. So, I'm just gonna pick them up and then tiklop them. Hindi ko na i-show yung pagtitiklop kasi the point of this video is cleaning my room, and my room is basically clean now. I also got my blanket na. It's already on the bed. Di ko na siya tiniklop kasi I was using it kanina. But, I'm gonna show you the final product of the room na clean na. Okay? So, yun. Here we go. Come in the door. My desk is over there. From before, it was so messy here, but now it's like clean and I know where things are. So it's good na. Yan. It's okay. I vacuumed the carpet na also. Tapos ito yung dresser. I can't show you that part kasi nandyan yung diploma ko, and it says my full name. But anyway, this is my dresser na. It's good na. Tapos I was watching vlogs. Tapos ito yung bed ko. I was looking at pictures. I was transferring files kanina. So that's why nandyan yung laptop ko, and I was eating choco crunchies as well. So ayan. You can tell na addict ako sa Pooh Bear. So Winnie the Pooh. Okay, so dito naman yung cabinet dito is pretty much clean na. That looks not clean, but it's actually clean. Like, it's okay. Tapos ito, it was really messy, diba? Pero okay na siya. Ganito yung setup na based on how I use the products. And I always use these two a lot. And this one as well. So yeah, nothing really changed here kasi hindi ko siya masyadong tinouch kasi ganyan na yan. Wala na ibang space na mapupuntan yung mga bagay-bagay na nandyan. Pero yeah, tas eto okay na, nag-wipe na ako, you know. Tas dito rin, nakuha ko na yung ibang boxes. I put it under the bed. Nakita nyo sa vlog kanina. Tapos, ito din, nag-wipe lang ako dyan. Hindi ko pa na-change yung water tank ko kasi tinamad na ako. Yung video today, guys, kung napanood nyo hanggang sa huli, thank you very much. I'm not sure yet kung ano yung magiging next video ko. Probably not a cleaning video for now kasi nagdalawang cleaning video na ako in a row. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys got inspired of cleaning as well. You know, it doesn't have to be your room, but it could be anywhere in your house that you have to clean. Maybe it'll inspire you that other people's have to clean as well. So that is it. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.